Prepositions are words that describe the relationships between other words. They can describe where something or someone is located. This video will provide a summary of what prepositions do and how to use them effectively in your writing. Prepositions play an important role in academic writing and serve many purposes in describing the relationship of materials, subjects, and methods to how your study was conducted and analyzed. The preposition types we will examine in this video are simple prepositions, double prepositions, compound prepositions, participle prepositions, and phrase prepositions, or prepositional phrases. Simple prepositions describe the relationship between two words, usually nouns, in terms of location or time. Some common simple prepositions are at, for, in, by, off, on, over, and under. Double prepositions are a combination of two simple prepositions. They often indicate direction and consist of two simple prepositions put together. Common double prepositions include into, onto, upon, up to, inside, outside of, out of, from, and within. Compound prepositions indicate location and consist of at least two words. Common compound prepositions include in addition to, in front of, at the back of, along with, alongside of, in comparison to, and in contrast to. Participle prepositions are participles that act as prepositions. They end with either ed or ing. Common participle prepositions are considering, including, excluding, during, regarding, and provided. Participle prepositions are often part of phrases or dependent clauses. These should not be used as the main verbs in a sentence. A phrase preposition, or a prepositional phrase, consists of a preposition, the preposition's object, and any words that modify the object. These often act as adverbial phrases or other extended modifiers. Phrase prepositions often begin with in, over, under, during, from, for, behind, before, after, at, for, about, to, of, and with. Common phrase prepositions include for example, for instance, on time, and under the influence of. Many people have learned that sentences cannot end with prepositions. However, this is incorrect, and sometimes avoiding using prepositions at the end of sentences can result in more awkward sentences. See the following sentences as an example. Both of these sentences are correct, but the latter is more formal than the former. As such, prepositions are rarely used at the end of sentences in academic writing. Additionally, when moving a preposition to a place earlier in the sentence, it is important to remove the preposition at the end. In this example, the preposition about has been replaced with a prepositional phrase that further clarifies where the topic was published. To learn more about sentence structure, punctuation, and dozens of other language rules, visit wordvice.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on academic writing and editing.